Okay, children, in the last class we have seen about the lesson about the historical places. We have seen about the Mahabalipuram, then St. Fort George, then Bragadishwara temple, then about Nandi, then Tanjai Periya Koil, then Vivekananda Rock and Thiruvalluvar statue. These are the historical places in Tamil Nadu. So you might have learned about this and you might have seen this also in the pictures. So collect these pictures in the historical places and see the places, children, so that you can easily understand. Now I'm going to write some of the dictation words so that you can learn easily. Historical, you know that, places. Then now chart, stationery. What is that? Stationery. Stationery. Project. Project. Then conversation. 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 Shopkeeper, you know. Then chart. C-H-A-R-T. Chart. Shopkeeper. Then the next one is historical. What is that? Historical. Then about seashore temple. Seashore temple. You know the spelling for the temple. So seashore temple. Then Pandava Rathas. Pandava Rathas. So while you are writing this, learn the spelling also. Mahabalipuram. M-A-H-A Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram. Then architecture. Architecture. Pallavas. Pallavas. Architecture. Pallavas. Monuments. Monuments. Then Pallavas monuments. Generations. Generations. Fort St. George. Fort. Estin படிக்கக்கூடாது. This one is St. George. Fort St. George. Then museum. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. Sixteen is secretariat. 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 Thiruvalluvar. Thiruvalluvar. Then statue. Vivekananda Rock. Vivekananda. Then Tirukkural. Tirukkural. Then Kanyakumari. We have already written. No. Kanyakumari. This is the place where the Thiruvalluvar statue is there. Kanyakumari. Then Adigaram. Adigaram means Padalgal. Adigarams. So learn the words and pronunciation, children. Chapters. Chapters. Then statue. S-T-A-T-U-E. Statue. Then height. Denotes. Surrounds. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-S. Surrounds. Majestic. Okay, so these are the words. You have to learn this, children. So first one is stationery. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. Stationery. Stationery. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. Stationery. Project. P-R-O. Pro. J-E-C-T. Ject. Project. P-R-O. Pro. J-E-C-T. Ject. Project. Conversation. C-O-N. Con. V-E-R. Ver. Conver. S-A-S-A. T-I-T-O-N. On. Conversation. Otherwise you can say like this. C-O-N. Con. V-E-R. Ver. Conver. S-A-S-A. T-I-O-N. Shun. Conversation. Then chart. C-H-A-R-T. Chart. Shopkeeper. S-H-O-P. Shop. K-E-E-P-E-R. Keeper. Shopkeeper. Next. Historical. H-I-S-H-T-O-T-O. History. R-I-R. C-A-L-Cal. Historical. Okay. Then seashore temple. S-E-A-C-S-H-O-R-E. Shore. Seashore. T-E-M. Temp. P-L-E. Temple. Seashore temple. Pandava Rathas. P-A-N-D-A-V-A-V. Pandava Rathas. R-A-T-H-A-S. Rathas. Pandava Rathas. Mahabalipuram. M-A-M-A-H-A-H-B-A-B. Mahaba-L-I-L. Mahabalipuram. P-U-P-R-A-M. Ram. Mahabalipuram. Okay, like that you split the word and say Mahabalipuram. Then architecture. Architecture. A-R-C. Arc. H-I-E. Archi. T-E-C. Tech. Architect. T-U-R-E. Ter. Architecture. A-R-C. Arc. H-I-E. Archi. T-E-C. Tech. Architect. T-U-R-E. Ter. Architecture. Pallavas. P-A-L-L-A. Palla. V-A-S-Vas. Pallavas. Monuments. M-O-N-U. Monu. M-E-N-T-S. Ments. Monuments. M-O-N-U. Monu. M-E-N-T-S. Ments. Monuments. Generations. G-E-G-N-E-N-E. Generations. R-A-T-I-O-N-S. Generations. Fort St. George. F-O-R-T. Fort. In the S-T வந்து Saint and படிக்கணும். Saint and படிக்கும்போது S-T only you have to write. So Fort St. George. G-E-O-R-G-E. George. Then museum. M-U-M-U-S-E-C-U-M. Museum. Okay. M-U-M-U-S-E-C. Museum. Museum. Then secretariat. S-E-C. Sec. R-E-R. Secretariat. R-I-R-A-T. At. Secretariat. S-E-C. Sec. R-E-R-T-A-T. R-I-R-A-T. At. Secretariat. Thiruvalluvar. T-H-I-T. Ru. R-U. Ru. Thiru. V-A-L-L-U. Thiruvalluvar. V-A-R. Var. Thiruvalluvar. Statue. S-T-A-T-U-E. Statue. Say it again. S-T-A-T-U-E. Statue. Vivekananda. V-I-V-E. Vivek. K-A-K. N-A-N-N. DA da Vivekananda. Tirukkural THIRU Tiru KURAL Tirukkural. Kanyakumari KANYA Kanyakumari KUMARI Kumari. Adhigaram ADHI Adi KARAMS Adhigaram. Okay, ADHI Adi KARAMS Adhigaram. Chapters CHAPTERS chapters. Statue STATUE statue. Okay, STATUE statue. Height HEIGHT height. HEIGHT height. Denotes DENOTES denotes. DENOTES notes denotes. Surrounds SURR sir. OUNDS rounds surrounds. SUR sir. ROUNDS rounds surrounds. Majestic MAJESTIC majestic. MAJEGSTIC tick majestic. So these are the words, some important words. So you have to learn these words, children. Now we are going to see the book exercise. First one is choose the best answer. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one is Seashore Temple. So Seashore Temple எங்க இருக்கு? Seashore Temple is at Mahabalipuram. So they are given the option A. Mahabalipuram, and B is Trichy, and C is Madurai. Then second one, Fort St. George. Fort St. George is at dash. Kanchipuram. They are given the options as Kanchipuram. And then B is Chennai, and C is Trichy. So Fort St. George is in Chennai. And the third one, there are dash styles of architecture at Mahabalipuram. There are how many types? Four styles. Four styles of architecture. At Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram. Option is 6, 3 and 4 they are given. 6, 3 and 4. Okay, so there are 4 styles of architecture. Then fourth, Thiruvalluvar Road. Thiruvalluvar Road What he wrote, Thiruvalluvar wrote? Tirukkural. 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 They are given the options Tirukkural. Then B is Nanneri. And C is Atichudi. Atichudi. Okay. Then fifth one is Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Koyil. Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Koyil was built with single stone. So that is the answer. Single stone. Option is multiple stones. Multiple stones. B is 2 stones. And C is single stone. Okay, so shall we go through this one? Choose the correct answer. So this one is Sheshwar temple is at dash Mahabalipuram, Trichy and Madurai. That is Mahabalipuram. Fort St. George is at dash Kanchipuram, Chennai, Trichy. Fort St. George is at Chennai. There are dash styles of architecture at Mahabalipuram. 6, 3 and 4. There are 4 styles of architecture at Mahabalipuram. Then Thiruvalluvar wrote dash. You all might have known that is Tirukkural, but they are given the options Tirukkural, Nanneri and Atichudi. So you can write the correct answer as Tirukkural. Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Koyil was built with single stone, but they are given the options multiple stone, 2 stone and single stone. Okay, now we are going to see the match the following. Okay. Now the second Roman letter is match the following. In match the following, okay, first one they are given Vivekananda Rock. Vivekananda Rock. So I'll write the straight answer after writing the question. Then museum. Then third one Jinji Fort. Then fourth one Mahabalipuram. And fifth one Periya Koyil. So here they are given St. George Fort. This is the wrong answer. I'll put the number so that you can put the number straightly. Then Viluppuram. Then Pallavas. Then Cholas. Then Kanyakumari. So we will write the numbers for this. Okay. So Vivekananda Rock is in Kanyakumari. So you put number 1. Then museum, St. Fort George. This is number 2. Jinji Fort, Viluppuram. That is number 3. Then Mahabalipuram, Pallavas. That is number 4. Then Periya Koyil. That is number 5. So I have written the numbers. So Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari, museum, St. George Fort, Jinji Fort is in Virupuram, and Mahabalipuram, Pallavas, and Periyakoil, Cholas. So while you are writing, you can write the straight answer in the examination. Okay, children, so learn what all I given, choose and the match. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.